Welcome back, IP5. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today we continue talking about JanvasApp, and this is our lesson 7 together for this semester. And we want to continue creating content. So for last week, we already created some cards such as Christmas card. So we can continue creating some more cards such as birthday cards or mood boards or style boards or business cards. Or announcement flyer or just announcement cards which announce what's happening. So let's create some content, cards, board, mood board, style board, business cards, announcement, letter. So what you have to do is just go to the app real quick, to the website. And decide what you want to create. So let's say we want to create a mood board. Okay, so you want to create a mood board. What you need is first a color that you want to put. We can simply choose this. Draw a box and choose the color here. Let's say I want black. We have our black background, just like that. Next, we need some pictures to create our mood board. So we can go to Google and select the mood that we are looking for. So for example, let's say we want to make a luxury mood board. So don't worry, mood board can be anyway, anything that you like. It doesn't have to be certainly this or that. It's really your style or your mood of what you like. So you can make it smaller a bit and set it where you like. You can put some next we can have some something else. We can put a background. For some reason, my My internet is having a bit of problem apparently. Okay, I'll just take a screenshot. So you can adjust everything just like this, make the size bigger, smaller. You can add some other things like this maybe if you want. So basically you just need to find the pictures that makes you feel it's the mood of the picture or it's the mood of you, and you can just adjust it and fit it into the page as you think it's meant to fit. Also, you can find actually so for mood boards, it's very free to choose what you like and show the mood that you are trying to achieve, basically, right? So try your best and try to see what is the thing that you are interested most. So sorry for this, my internet I think is having a bit of troubles, so I cannot really download the photos, so I just screenshot it. But for you, you can right click and save as. But for me, I'm just downloading it for you. Not downloading it for you. I'm just screenshotting just to show how the program works. That's all. So this can be a mood board, for example, a very small, short, brief version of the mood board. Sometimes it can be more complicated, like this. It can be more simple. So it really depends. So if you want, we can even add more pictures, a painting. Like a very modern style. Of a painting. So here can be cars, here can be personality and interior that We can separate it into materialistic and more spiritual or like thought. So you can see here is more about the car, bikes, house, clothing, and then here more is about the art and how he thinks. Maybe some colors can be simply black and gray. Skin. For example, this. You can take a real quick screenshot and just put it here. But of course, we have gold also and some other colors which you can add by yourself if you like. We can have also some animal. So, for example, this can be your mood board, right? So you can try to create your own mood board using this and add whatever is necessary for you to do so. Also, we can try to make a style board now. So it's very similar. Style board and mood board is very similar, but mood board can contain everything such as this, like you see paintings we can add some text. You can write, for example, luxury. And you can change the size of your text right here. And of course, you can change the style of your text. that's how you can add your text. You can add any picture you like. You can add the mood, the colors, the objects, animals, and you can adjust the size of the text, of course. And I'll show you a real quick version of style board too. So style board is very simple. You just choose like type, for example. Let's say we choose this. So for the style board, it should be very simple and very, because it's about style. So you just put on the clothes, for example. You can add some texture if you want. So something like this, shoes. We can add some trouser. So try to practice it and try to see how you can create your own mood board or your own style board. You can choose different colors for the background. As I showed you already, you can choose white, black, or pink, or whatever color you are interested in. So that's about it. So you can try to create a style board and mood board by yourself. And if you like, you can continue on creating other content also. I think by now you should be able to do so. You can use the different options. You can even use pen or brush to connect them somehow if you like to make some more visuals and not just so simple. You can try that. You can try this to be a bit more straight line. And connect that to this, and this to this. So it's really up to you how you want to proceed, and you can design it by yourself, or you can have a box around each. Just like that. You can design it as you like. You can keep it simple, you can make it more special using boxes, lines, textures, patterns, draw by yourself. So it's really up to you. All right. So today we checked out the website again using how we can use it to create mood boards and style boards and possibly other content. We will continue next week, next class, basically. That's all for today, guys. Thank you, everyone. Have a lovely new year and take care. Stay safe.